Is there a Facebook page that keeps showing up in your stream and you just don't want to see it? I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media, and while it is my job to make sure that as many people as possible see fan pages for different businesses, brands, car clubs, things like that, I still get that there are some pages you may not want to see. So you may want to block the page. Maybe you don't follow it. I mean, it's simple to unfollow a page, but that doesn't mean it's not going to show up in your stream. It could be that one of your friends connected on Facebook comments on that page a lot. And so therefore, it'll pop through your stream saying, so and so commented on this post. Well, it could be not family friendly. We have the elections coming up in the United States, which with the politics here, it could be any time of year, 24/7. Some of those pages get a little irritating. You may not want to see those. So what I want to do is show you how to actually block a page. Unfollowing a page or not liking a page doesn't mean it won't show up. But when you block it, guess what? You're not going to have to see that anymore. So let's head over to Facebook and show you how to block that page so that it is not ruining your good time. Okay, so here we are on the Sin City Cannibals page. And say that this is a page I didn't ever want to see in my stream again. I would simply come here and where you can see liked, following, share, I'm going to click these three buttons and you'll see right here, block page. Now, I'm not going to block them because they're one of my favorite car clubs, but I wanted to show you how you could block the page. It's that simple. Go to the page, find the three dots, and click block page. And there you have it. Now, those pages that for whatever reason you don't want to see them, problem taken care of. You no longer have to see those. So I hope this helps and makes your Facebook time a little more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button, and you might get notifications.